Osmania University, very bad update 2021. So, because of this update, most of the students are going to fail in the upcoming semester exams. Some of you might like it, but for most of the students, you might get frustrated after seeing such kind of updates from OU. So, now let's have a look on this update. So, this update is for all OU colleges and all OU affiliated colleges too. So they are mentioned like instruction in the various courses in each semester of all the 4 years. So internal marks, 30 internal marks, and external theory, 70 marks. We already know this thing. For practical internal, 25 marks, practical external, 50 marks. We don't have problem with this table. Okay. And you already know that internal plus external, based on that, they're going to give you the grade. If you secure between 90% to 100%, they will give you S grade, that is 10 grade points. We already know this table, we don't have any problem with this table. And they have also given like out of 30 internal marks, 10 marks are allotted for assignments or tutorials or quizzes, which you are going to definitely copy from your friends. Okay, and 20 marks are for internal 1 and internal 2 exam. Till here, no problem. But the main problem is with point number 4. A candidate shall be deemed to have fully passed the semester and examination, that is the external examination, if he or she secures not less than the minimum marks or grade E as prescribed, irrespective of marks obtained in internal examination. So now they have removed the internal marks criteria, which means that you have to definitely score 40% in your semester and examination. Then only you are pass or else you are fail. This is what they mean by this very bad update. So let's understand in depth with this table. So they're saying that you have to score 40% of 70 marks, which means that you have to score 28 out of 70 marks in order to consider to be passed in your external exams, or else you are fail. They are not going to consider any internal marks. They are not bothered about your internal marks. So earlier it was like internal plus external for passing criteria. So if you guys was able to score 25 out of 30 in internal and 15 out of 70 in external exams, then total will be 25 plus 15, 40 out of 100. Then you are passed. But now this rule has been removed from OU. They have removed consideration of internal marks. You have to definitely score 20 out of 70 in order to pass in the external exams, or else you are failed, dude. That's what they mean. Okay. And in external practical you have to score 50% of 50 marks, that is you have to score 25 out of 50, then only you are passed in external practical. So this is going to be very tough, and this is going to add double pressure on you, and the level of difficulty of paper was already tough, but due to this you will feel more tough because you are going to have double pressure. You have to score 28 out of 70. Okay, and suppose that the paper is very tough, then in that time it's going to freak you out. So I can only say you, please prepare well for external exams because you don't have any backup of your internal marks. Unless you prepare well, you're not going to pass these exams. So because of this update, more students will face lots of problems and they will end up getting backlogs. So take care of your semester and exams, do proper preparation, and do share this informative video among all your WhatsApp groups, among your friends. And if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe this channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.